ya ka boarding A ka bakhatlay na ka shispa na ka benta ka jilla. Thao ka Meghalaya ya ka committee ban pet ya ka jing siu tulop ya ki nong tray ADC bu ban weng ya ka jing e hakaliang ka pisa tingka. Peli Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma ya ka CM Connect Center ha Tura da ka jing temu ban penyajan bat ki ba. Bat pentik na Menteri Ketenat Labor ba on dan jing kta halor ka jing shngan jang ki try muluk. Penbena ban bishar benia ya ki jing e ha ka biadai bat ka jing penrung kerteng ya ki nong tray bella. Ki khubor ki babania ka sarkar Meghalaya kalawat ya jing baiting ka shimet haki project boarding ban yo boarding A hadu khatlai na ka shispa na ka benta ka jilla ka jing tray halor ka benta ba ar jong ka project penmi boarding ha mintadu leshka kadang ya chakmat hadin ka jing pen tray kam ka ba seiso jong ka benta ka baningkong house name ar hajar khat ar Managing Director jong ka MEECL Sanjay Goyal ulapen pau bagi jella ka boot ya ka jing temu jong ka sarkar pedeng ban pendap ya ka jing dawa boarding ka banang kiu da ka jing penbena dangshen ya ka ganol hydro power project ka Meghalaya ka thrang ban ya trailang bat ki nong pen roy shimet na ka benta ki kam ki bahadien kinthop ya ki project bo pam ban ai jing mentoy ya ka jella bat ki nong bei tingka.
The state government has taken a call that the pump storage setup should be beneficial to the developer as well as to the state. The concept of the pump storage is basically the availability of the power during the peak demand. As of now, the state has maintained that since the peak demand is not of the kind of category which the size of the pump storage projects are there, which are in the offering in the state. So we are in negotiation with the agencies who are planning to set up these pump storage to see that what kind of commercial benefit the state can get out of it.
Katu kanisngi hadien baka kinhon menteri jong ka jella kala penbena ya ka rai jong ka ban shimti ya ka jingkit kli ban siu tulop ya ki nong tray jong ki laitli ki district council jong ka jella kata ka GHADC KHADC bat JHADC ka ban sedang nadu ka shitarik unai wing la thau ya ka committee ba kerpang ban ya tray lang bat ki council bat kan shimpor ya ki saupusan sngi ban pendep ya ki jing don kam ya ka ni ka sin jam la shim ban weng ya ka jing e hakaliang ka pisa tingka jong ki ADC. Commissioner bat Secretary jong Ketenat District Council Affairs uba CVD Diengdo ula ong baya ka ni kakam on sale tang da ka jing menjur bat jing ya selok jong ki ADC.
A committee will be formed and these committees will go into those details because definitely one has to consult the district councils and seek their consent. This is something that has to be done in consultation with them. So please await. Once these committees are notified, you will get to know and the terms of reference will be very clear.
This will not be a permanent solution.
This is because of the crisis that is happening now in some district councils, as we know, that salaries are pending for many months, etc. So government has taken a decision to look into how this can be resolved in consultation and only after getting the consent of the district council. That has been made amply clear, so I don't want to say much more.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Conrad ke Sangma ula play ya ka CM Connect Center ha Tura menta ka sngi haringkat ulampang ka yeng dorbar thau an ke Jilla Thomas A Sangma bat kiwe ki riu pau khmat ki bela don lang. Menteri Rangba ula penksan ya ke jing don kam ban pen ya jan ha pedeng ka sarkar bat ki pajba da ka ba wanra ya ka jingmut jong ki CM Connect Center ban bu haman la ki blok jong ka Jilla na ka benta ki tu ki bampat danang pendon kam ya ka teknologi. Hadien kani ka jing ya Menteri Rangba ula shimkhia ban penbet ya ka jing ujor ka baningkong ka ba peni ya ka jing tray kam jong ka te ka jing temu.
If the head of the government is not able to connect and understand the issues of the people, it means there is a gap in the communication, and the communication gap has a possibility of not being able to resolve issues that are important to the people, and also have an impact of governance.
Menteri dang ba Jilla Meghalaya u Conrad K Sangma ulaya kendu ya kinong mikmat jong kinokma bat kinong yalam seng bhalang ban ya kren ya kejing ya chaprang jong ka Tura Medical College bat kejing hakaliang kapisa tengka haka KHASI ula kubur ya kejing penslem ya katulop bat ula penbena ya kerukom penyat khajna ka bathamai ban mang khandai pho na ka shispa ban pelat ya katulop badang sakut ka sarkar ka thmuru ban penkala ban ya bet ka platengka jong ki council.
District Council angas kanguni na kaninga District Council the autonomous body ma aro Parliament aro Constitution of pangchake tharigaman institution ke sawa unimen nga salanti bisuni kamrango nga interview kana matcha inde ba talo ya situation of pangchake council ni ubusango pangchake bisungni talo je financial position nya chimya plak ko pangchake aro anchini district council ni employer angni dalo somai gata salary manjani ko nye aro yeno pangchake dalo government skangapa chinga decision kora that chinga regularly chinga every month salary ko chinga onken maidak pa system mo maidak kiska dakken wa ko detail ko chinga daw sandet tinga
Ka komiti jong ka sarkar ka bala yalam da CVD dengdo kadang bishar benia ya kijing jong ki Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association kenthop ya kijing dawa jong ki ban khanglat ya ki kali kamai tourist ki banabar ban rung shapo ka jilla ka komiti kadang perkhat ya kijing kta ya kinong penyat hotel bat kinong penyat ya kijing let jengok kai perthei kini ki association ki laterwaru ban penduna ya ka bayang kali hakat lieng sun hagawahati ringkat bat ki we kijing ban penbet da ka sarkar jilla uba ding do ula banjur ba kanu ka rai ka de ban perkhat ya ki jingta ki ba kham jilliu kham tambat ka Assam.
Meetings were held with the associations and many issues were discussed in detail because obviously this requires consultation with all stakeholders, not only the taxi associations, hoteliers and others. So this committee has met multiple times and those minutes also have been shared with these associations. So we have made certain suggestions, for example, including subsidizing their parking fees in Guwahati airport, because that was one of the demands that it's too high. So the department is looking into that matter and appropriately decisions will be taken, and any other issues that they have, I think they should obviously take up with the government and we will discuss with them accordingly.
Ka jingya kren banyamir jingmut kablatip kom ka youth uncut real talk on HIV and multiverse saga arhajar arpusan ka cosplay ka bapanyaso ikisamla barkinong thau policy halor ka jingpang HIV lani AIDS ka paminta ka menteri katanat ka kot ka khia ka kong amprin lingdo kala pentikna ba ka sarkar kan khanglat ya ka jingsha leben bat ban yada ya ka jing ithu katkum ka AIDS Control Act kiwe pat kinong shimbenta ki kenthop ya ki officer na ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society i Dr. WB Langsti Dr. Laura Mirthong uba Wilson Doling bat uba Ajoy Lanong ka kenhon cosplay shalong bala yalam da ka smiti aba mita giri khalmarki ka pendon kam ya ka but thau thamai ban pen ngau thu pat ba halor ka HIV bat ka jing di drop kinong job ken mi khmat ya ka India haka pop culture Hiroshima bat animecon India.
Kindly cooperate with the government. The AIDS Control Act has its own components which are legal in nature. Government does not want to apply law in any given situation, but if forced and if pushed to its limit, we will have to start applying the rule of law which protects the identity or disclosure of a citizen unless he or she wishes to disclose herself.
O Menteri Ketenat Labor u Shakliar Wajri ula pentikna baka sarkar kanam kta ya kejing shngan jom ki trai muluk da ka ba a ya ki license bella syakin nong bella banabar. Ula banjur bagi nong wan buhai shnong ki dei ban apply leng baka portal bala itu ringkat bat baro ki kot kisla ki badan kam. Haba jubab ya kejing sngaw kia jom ke HYC syapang ki kot pendung kerteng tok haber nihat uba Wajri ula penbena ya kejing temu ban penlong ya kejing yalang bishar benia ban weng ya kene kejing
lembaga di kisaban biat juga salah selalu menunjuk maka hal kabedi kali department statistik jadi hal kabedi berkata bentar dengan song soy kan meeting dengan dia ke department dia ke menyepitnya ikni baru kabedi berkata dengan berlapan teman dia kan ada song review meeting ke saya kata dia dia semua bersin bangin compromise kata kemudian hangu bangi mesti government in compromise ya HKBD bat kita gigi ni pun OMP ailat bangan telah song ke meeting terasi selaya kan komen
Menteri Sarkar jong ke HSPDP uba Shakliar Wajri laong bakajing jong kajing penkala ya ka kinhon menteri ka bakentup ya ki arngut ki MLA jong ka seng kadai ka kam ka badon hapo jong ka seng da ka ba penpau ba ya ka no ka rai jong ka seng ulong uba kloy ban pediang habakali hato ka don em kajing ya te banyasam ya ka syuki menteri baru MLA ka parti na motion road uba Methodius Dekhar uba Wajri ula pen scam ba umpat la ban kren AA tat hadu ba ka parti kan penlong ya kajing ya kren
ya ka decision ni langsung ke parti meeting langsung ke parti meeting ke berdesai dengan ke parti nak lihat cuma dia kan mentang minta kapan show ke parti meeting dengan melakukan ai kedua waktu majiti agak baik dia kata untuk ada pergi ke parti meeting ni sempat dia bagi ai kan yang pertama ini happen ni song ke meeting parti kata kalau along ke internal ke parti ini ladap ke meeting ke parti yang saya juga
MDC Shimed uba Ricky Shulai ulather ya ka Shillong Municipal Board kabla ai floating tender ya ki project haki constituency jongki MDC hapo ka 6th schedule klem da pentip sya ka KHADC hadian belaya kendo ya CEM ka KHADC uba Shambor Lang Renja uba Shulai ula khot ya ka kum ka jing iben ya ka jing betha jongki patba ula kadawru ba ka KHADC kadang ya kren bat ka sarkar jilla ban penbet ya ki jing hakabiya day bat ka bha scheme nakabenta ki constituency haki jakasor hapo ka 15th Finance Commission.
Kasai kedar kalau muta beri pi usiam ru marmar hi la ai jingkular ba immediately un phatho laka engineering wing shaka municipal bar stop no ya kaneka tendering process kalau ki bostran ba me iru don ka jingkit kya namanta ki ngi ki MDC ki ba hapo ka urban but ila ang ba immediately impano siya po ka office yung municipal dan sange.
KHASI Students Union Southwest KHASI Hills kala penlong ya kejing yat patba hamau kerwat ban persya ya kejing terwa ban a ya kejaka rep ke badan hajan kawa mukla syakatenat BSF kiwe ki seng kum ke FKJGP HITO bat ke HYC kelaisno ktilang ha kadi kejing ki bat hadian kejing ki belane daki kenta ukli do jong kahima mahram upaim nyandros yong ulai kendo ya kinong yalam ha kani kejing ki kinong persya kila dawa badai ban penlong da ka dorbar executive ka bakerpang hapo ka arterik unailur ban weng no ya kani kejing terwa bat kila maham ru bakin le da ka bating lada omla ban penben ka Thomas Jones Senate College Jowai kala rakhe ya ka graduation day ha ka bakala penkop burom ya ki arspa saupongut ki samla pule ki bla pendep ya ka BA BCom bat HSSLC usimbot menteri rang ba ka jella uba asnyau bhalang dhar ulai shimmenta kum ukongsan ha ka ba ula kentu ya ki samla bakin wat ya ki kam ki jam ki ba maki ki sngotanat bat ban wat ya ki lat ki linti ban seng kam la jam la penkop burom ru ya ki khandai ngut ki samla pule ki bla pas bha bakentup ya ka R Grace Dalin Rose Tang bat ka Memorial Lingdo ha kene ke jing rakhe la donru ki jing kren ki jing duai bat ke jing pen I ya ka Kolshore Ka West Giant Hills District kala rakhe ya ka National Sports Day hamadan kiang nangba da kijing kai tenrai bat kijing yakop. Hakane kijing rakhe la don kijing kai tan telai maupon bat kijing kai football hakaba pratli ki school kilai shimbenta. Kinong job kilai yo ka khusnam na unong kai ka ri umar su kendat. Kijing kai matakasngi kikentop ya kijing kai badminton kijing kai football bat kijing ya rally da ki cycle. Mentangnya pet ya gajing long jing man kasun meneng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius bat gajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau matakasi kalong prapo na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.1 millimeters. Haba pai pat chanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius. Bat kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau matakasi kalong prapo pra na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 4 millimeters. Kat bah jawai pat kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius. Bat kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau matakasi kalong prapo sa na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 millimeters. Kalaban don kajing hap slap bajing tiet uperthat ba malumala habun ki jaka hatura shilong bat jawai. Shwaban poi shaga bakut jongga tup khubor nginya pe biang sa shisian ye kimat bakong san. War ka sarkar gijing baiting ka shimet na kabenta ki project pen mi boarding thmu banyo ya ka boarding a ka bakhatlai na ka shispa na kabenta ka jilla. Hau ka Meghalaya ya ka committee ban pet ya ka jing siu tulop ya kinong tray ADC bo ban weng ya ka jing hakaliam ka pisa tingka. Pli umentri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma ya ka CM Connect Center Hatura da ka jing thmu ban penyajan bat kipat ba. Bat pentik na umentri ka tanat labor ba on dan jing kta halor ka jing shngan jang kitrai muluk. Penmenaban bishar benia ya kijing hakabiadai bat kajing penrung terteng ya kinong tray barbella. Teparlok katungila poisha kabakut jong katup kubor jungi mentaga janmiet hadu media syambiang bat pila syai kasngi keblai pi baro.
Tokyo Electron Factory, a major manufacturer of semiconductor production equipment.